To set up an Etoro withdrawal, start by logging into your Etoro account and navigating to the Withdrawal section. This is typically found under the Portfolio or Account Settings tab. Before initiating a withdrawal, ensure that your account is fully verified, as this is a requirement for withdrawing funds. Verification involves providing identification documents such as a passport or national ID, as well as proof of address. Once your account is verified, check your available balance to confirm that you have sufficient funds for withdrawal. Etoro allows withdrawals in various currencies, including USD, EUR, and GBP, so select the currency you wish to withdraw in. Note that some currencies may incur conversion fees, so it is essential to review the fees associated with your withdrawal before proceeding. To initiate the withdrawal, click on the Withdraw button and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. You will then be prompted to select your withdrawal method, which can include bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment methods. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the withdrawal process. It is crucial to note that Etoro has a minimum withdrawal amount, which varies depending on the currency and withdrawal method. Additionally, withdrawals may be subject to fees, so it is essential to review the fee structure before initiating a withdrawal. Etoro also has a withdrawal processing time, which can range from a few hours to several days, depending on the withdrawal method and currency. To avoid any potential issues with your withdrawal, ensure that your account information is up to date and your withdrawal details are accurate. It is also recommended to withdraw funds during business hours to expedite the processing time. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, you can contact Etoro's customer support team for assistance. In summary, setting up an Etoro withdrawal involves logging into your account, verifying your identity, checking your available balance, selecting your withdrawal method, and initiating the withdrawal process. By following these steps and being aware of the requirements and fees associated with withdrawals, you can ensure a smooth and successful withdrawal experience on Etoro.